getting back late here from my outing, so no time to check the mail, but we will get to that tomorrow at some point. And in the meantime, let's see what's cracking. We'll roll for our rows first here. We got 7 and 9 and 4. That was a 4. Alrighty, let's roll for our packs in our rows. 19 in there, 20 is a choice. Alright. 1, 3, and 18. Alright, 1 we can see right from the top here is the March of the Machine Aftermath. I'm going to get to that in a moment. Let's pull out our other packs here. 1, 2, 3, we have Ikoria, and then 18 will go 2 from the back. 1 and 2, Zendikar Rising. Alright. There's only 6 cards in here. That's not a whole lot. That's not as much fun as I want it to be. So we're going to just do another one, just because. We'll roll and see from where, from 3. And it's going to be number 19, right in the back. Alright, well, it's another Aftermath there, which, you know what, that I guess works out. That's kind of fair and deserved. So we'll start from the first one we pulled here. We'll start with the first Aftermath, and let's see what's cracking. So yeah, not very large packs. There's not a whole lot that was printed here. Maybe they just won't open, and then we'll have to roll for something else. There's some interesting stuff in here, so let's see. We have a Coppercoat Vanguard, Reckless Handling, a Suvian Drifter, a Leyline Immersion, another Leyline Immersion, Jurina, Dauntless General, and an Incubator Token. Nissa is really the thing we're looking from there. Alright, let's see what Ikoria has for us. We did this wrong last time. It does go this way. The token is not on the rare end. So, Cathartic Reunion, Dark Bargain, an Adaptive Shimmerer, Evolving Wilds, Neutralize, Ominous Seas. I do actually like this card. A Forest, Cryptic Trilobite, Lurrus of the Dream Den, Bonder's Enclave, a Trumpeting Gnaw, Cavern Whisperer, ooh, a Ketria Triumph, that's pretty exciting. Triumphs are great. Destroya, an Evercold Phoenix, and a Pouncing Shore Shark. I actually love this thing, it's hilarious. Okay, let's see what Zendikar has in stock for us. So far, all we opened from Zendikar are the box toppers, and those have been fantastic. So let's see if we can keep that going here. Into the Royal, Angel Heart Protector, Ghastly Gloom Hunter, Bubble Snare, Pressure Point, Thundering Rebuke. Ooh, a Ball of Get Recovery. That's awesome. It's the MDFC. The Plains, Zaratsan, Archon of Myria, Skyclave Geobead, Skyclave Pickaxe, a Needleverge Pathway, sweet, a Skyclave Squid, and a Shadow's Verdict. Huh. And an Illusion Goblin Construct. number 2 has for us. Again, if we can get it into it. Jeez. A zombie token. Ooh, a gold forged Doctorix with a fancy foil. Harness Snubhorn. Dranith Ruins. Training Grounds. That's pretty cool. Spark Rupture. And Tazri the Stalwart Survivor. Huh. Also, ooh, a fun treasure. Cool. Well, fun lands. And I'm a fan of lands, so. Alrighty. Tomorrow is mail day, so we'll go grab mail. I don't know if I'll get to mail before or after opening, so we'll see tomorrow. And then we'll see what's cracking.